Depression is often simplified as a chemical imbalance in the brain. This explanation, while partially true, doesn't capture the full picture. While brain chemistry plays a role, it's not the whole story. There are many layers to consider. Depression is a complex puzzle with many contributing factors. Each piece of the puzzle represents a different aspect of our lives and biology. It's like a combination lock. Each factor is a tumbler that needs to align perfectly. Multiple tumblers need to align for the lock to open. This alignment is what leads to the manifestation of depression. Genetics can make someone more susceptible to depression. Our family history can play a significant role. Life events like trauma or chronic stress can trigger it. These experiences can act as catalysts. Even the intricate workings of our brains contribute to its development. The brain's structure and function are deeply involved. Understanding the complexity of depression is crucial for effective treatment. A multifaceted approach is often necessary. It's important to remember that everyone's experience with depression is unique. Each person's journey is different. What works for one person may not work for another. There's no one-size-fits-all solution. Personalized care is essential. This complexity underscores the need for personalized approaches to diagnosis and treatment. Tailoring care to the individual can make all the difference. Our genes provide the blueprint for our brains. Variations in certain genes can influence our risk of developing depression. These genes affect the way our brains produce and use neurotransmitters, the chemical messengers that regulate mood. However, genes are not destiny. Environmental factors play a crucial role. Traumatic experiences, chronic stress, and even diet can alter brain chemistry and increase the likelihood of depression. The brain is a complex organ with billions of neurons constantly communicating. Disruptions in these communication pathways, often caused by a combination of genetic and environmental factors, contribute to the development of depression. Our brains have specialized regions that regulate mood, emotions, and responses to stress. Each of these regions plays a crucial role in maintaining our mental health and overall well-being. The amygdala, often referred to as the brain's fear center, becomes overactive in depression, leading to heightened anxiety and fear. This overactivity can make everyday situations feel overwhelming and can trigger intense emotional responses. The hippocampus, which is deeply involved in memory and learning, can shrink under prolonged stress and depression. This shrinkage affects our ability to form new memories and learn from experiences, making it difficult to retain information and recall past events. The prefrontal cortex, responsible for decision-making and emotional regulation, shows decreased activity in depression. This reduction in activity makes it harder to control impulses, regulate emotions, and make sound decisions, often leading to feelings of frustration and helplessness. These brain regions work in concert, like instruments in an orchestra, each contributing to the harmony of our mental state. When one instrument is out of tune, it affects the entire symphony, disrupting the overall harmony and balance. Similarly, disruptions in any of these brain regions can contribute to the emotional and cognitive symptoms of depression. Understanding how these regions interact helps us better comprehend the complexities of mental health and the importance of maintaining brain health. The hippocampus, a seahorse-shaped structure deep within the brain, plays a critical role in learning and memory. This small yet vital part of the brain is essential for forming new memories and connecting them to emotions and experiences. It also helps regulate our stress response, acting as a control center for how we react to stressful situations. Chronic stress, a significant contributor to depression, can damage the hippocampus. This damage is often due to the prolonged exposure to stress hormones like cortisol. This damage can lead to memory problems, difficulty learning new things, and an inability to effectively manage stress. Over time, these issues can compound, making it harder to cope with daily life. The hippocampus is like a muscle. Stress weakens it, while exercise and stress-reducing activities strengthen it. Regular physical activity can promote the growth of new neurons in the hippocampus. Protecting the hippocampus is essential for maintaining good mental health. A healthy hippocampus supports better emotional regulation and cognitive function. Engaging in stress-reducing activities like meditation, yoga, or spending time in nature can help mitigate the damaging effects of stress on this crucial brain region. These activities promote relaxation and resilience, helping to preserve the hippocampus's health and functionality. Neurogenesis, the birth of new brain cells, offers a glimmer of hope in the fight against depression. While stress can hinder neurogenesis, antidepressants appear to promote it, particularly in the hippocampus. This finding helps explain why antidepressants often take weeks to work. It takes time for new brain cells to grow, mature, and integrate into existing neural networks. Promoting neurogenesis could be key to long-term recovery from depression. It's important to note that while this research is promising, it's still ongoing. If you're struggling with depression, it's crucial to consult a healthcare professional for proper diagnosis and treatment.